So this is going to be a demo for RedPhish. I wanted to show kind of the benefit of having something that exists inside the browser. A lot of tools today don't exactly detect or prevent attacks that occur within the browser themselves. And the best example of that is going to be phishing. So if something is sent to your DMs, your email, for example, you'll have antivirus or security tools that say, oh, we detect it. Well, in reality, the whole reason that I'm still employed as a cybersecurity professional is because that's not true, right? I have to go investigate these things all the time. And it's why I created this tool. It automatically detects and prevents these things from happening. So that way you as the user, you don't need to think about it. It's just navigate to the pages you want to go to, and it automatically strips and removes all of the malicious activity right from the browser. It's that easy. So I'll kind of get into it right here and show you how it works. So you just pull up the extension itself, and this can be in Chrome, it can be in Firefox, right? And I'll just show you real quick. I'm gonna log in. So I go send the login link, and this is gonna send it to your email of choice. So I'll stop the recording here and actually proceed to log in, but I'll kind of speak to it in the background what happens. So this sends that link to your email, and it forces multi-factor authentication. For the people that don't know what that is, it's giving a secondary form, not just a username and password. Well, here at RedPhish, we are passwordless. We don't believe that we should be bound by, you remembering or coming up with unique passwords, because let's be real, they get stolen and your accounts get hacked anyway. So we just got rid of them. And the way that works is you go to your email, you'll click the link from RedPhish in your email, and that will navigate back to the system and authenticate your session. So I'll show that really quickly. After the fact, I'll go to my email and set that up. But I just wanted to explain kind of how it worked when you go to log in with RedPhish. So here you see that I am logged in, as noted by the RedPhish in the top right-hand corner, and I'm on a page that is a known cyber threat intelligence database. So I'm taking a live link right now associated with ClickFix, and I'm just going to go to it. And the reason I do this is that I have RedPhish enabled, so I know it's going to block it. And there you go. You can see it right there. It was able to identify the ClickFix within the page and allowed myself as the user to be able to go back. So I'll take another link here, and we're just going to keep going to them. And the thought process here is that, oh, this one wasn't live. Okay, we'll go back and grab another one. But the thought process here is that no matter which link I grab and try to navigate to, RedPhish running in the background is going to stop all these threats for me. And as the date of this video, there is no tool that blocks ClickFix malware except for RedPhish. It's the only one. Everyone else will say that they're, detecting it, adding logs, they're, giving you capability, right? But again, from my experience in the cybersecurity field for the last, 7 to 10 years, no one is focusing on prevention. Everyone is focusing on adding more logs and more detections and more red blinky lights, right? You as the user don't care. What you care about is actually being protected. And that's why I built RedPhish. It's to do this over and over and over again, blocking all of these threats from happening. So that way, if you don't know anything about cybersecurity, or if you have family members that have no business being online by themselves, and yet they do, and they keep calling you saying that their account was hacked and their bank account was drained, right? That's what RedPhish is for, is to stop those things. So I encourage you to check it out. Give it a try. Right now it's 7 days free for either of the starter or the pro plans. And then if you are a small to medium business, or if you're an enterprise customer looking for something to deploy across all your devices and have a dashboard to see and manage those, we have that available as well. So reach out if you are interested in that. But again, just hope you give it a try and let me know how it is. All right. Thanks.